you have this curious phenomenon of, it's what statisticians would call a bimodal relationship.
Yeah.
You have a condition, dyslexia, which in the main proves highly disadvantageous, to the point where, as you point out, prisons are full of dyslexics. Then you have this separate phenomenon, which is if you systematically go through the upper levels of any profession, particularly entrepreneurs, you will find a hugely disproportionate number of dyslexics.
Yes.
One of the studies was 30% of successful entrepreneurs have some kind of related learning disability. So the question is, what's causing this? We understand the downside, the disadvantageous half, but there's this really puzzling and fascinating phenomenon of a separate, smaller group who, if you ask them with dyslexia, who, if you ask them, will, to a man, say, I am where I am because of my dyslexia. I didn't overcome it. It forced me to learn things that made me into the entrepreneur that I am today, or the trialer that I am today.
Away from themselves, they would say, no, I'll keep it. It's part of who I am.
Well, this is this, it's this exceedingly interesting and complicated issue, which is, and is where I sort of end up. I don't really claim that I can resolve it, but you understand that as human beings, we require people to have suffered certain kinds of adversity because we need the fruits of their learning.